English for all learners. Present perfect tense. We form the present perfect with a subject plus have or has plus past participle. I have finished the assignment. She has lost her keys. The past participle is the other past form of a verb. In regular verbs, verbs that end with ed, the past simple and past participle are the same. In irregular verbs, the past simple and past participle are usually different. Went, gone. Came, come. Was or were, been. Gave, given. Took, taken. In everyday conversations, we usually use short forms of have or has. I've been to Kuala Lumpur twice. She's done her homework. We form questions with have or has plus subject plus past participle. Have you been to Japan? Has he passed the exam? We form negative sentences with a subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle. We have not been to the park yet. He has not read those books. In negative sentences, we often use short forms of have, haven't, and hasn't. They haven't agreed yet. He hasn't gone home. When do we use the present perfect? For something that has happened at an unspecified time. I've been to New York City. with for and since. I haven't been home for 2 years. I haven't been home since 2019. With already and recently. He has already seen the building. She has arrived recently. With ever and never. Have you ever been to Rio? He has never tasted mango. With just and yet. She has just heard the news. I haven't texted him yet. What is the difference between the past simple and present perfect? We use the past simple for something that has happened at a specified time in the past. I went to Sydney in 2020. We use the present perfect for something that has happened at an unspecified time in the past. I have been to Istanbul. If you want more practice, watch the next video on our channel. Present Perfect Quiz. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. English for all learners.